question, right? In PSLE discount question, they like to test quite a lot of quite difficult questions. So you must make sure that for those who are very good in math, right? Like if you are around AL1, AL2 standard, right? And you want to make sure to secure your AL1, AL2 marks, right? Practice a lot of hard discount questions. Okay, because discount questions can be very difficult if you don't understand the basic concept. Okay, so this is like or if you want to understand better, right? Go shopping with your mother or father, okay? Go shopping with them. Then see outside all the discount and then take out your calculator, calculate after discount is how much. Okay, practice this. Okay, then after you go pay money, check whether you get the same amount or not. Okay, so example in this question, right? They say buy the first fan at 55% discount. Okay, and then buy the second fan at 70% discount. So those who go shopping a lot, right? You realize that they want you to buy more, right? Then if you buy the second, third, fourth item, right, you get more discount. So the more you buy, they give you more discount. Okay, so go outside shopping mall, okay, to go see how the discounting work. Okay, so you buy the first fan at 55% and the second fan at 70%. Xingyi bought two fans of the same model at a sale. She paid $127.50 for two fans. Okay, take note lah. The $127.50 is for two fans. And the question asks, what was the price of a fan before discount? Okay, so this is a question that actually anyone got this correct. I believe not many will get this correct. Oh, Alphas, you got it correct. Very good. Okay, so if you get it correct, right, can aim for AL1, AL2 already. This is actually not very easy. Franco, you also got it correct. Wow, very good. Okay, so right, um, let's draw the model. Okay, I want the only part B, not part A. Yeah, actually part A is harder. Yeah, so I'm saying that those who get part A correct, right, usually must have both part A and part B correct lah. Okay, so usually it means that your math is very good. Okay, so I have a fan. Take note the price before discount, right, is how many percent? Everyone, can you all tell me? Oh, very good, Ava. How many percent is the price of the fan before discount? Can you all tell me what percentage? Before discount is what? We call it how many percent? Everyone, can you all try? This is something that everybody must know. Before discount, the fan is 100%. Okay, take note. Before discount is 100%. Can? Before discount is 100%. Tell me, if I buy the first fan at 55% discount, means I pay how many percent? This one also must know. Press calculator. Press calculator and try now. Before discount is 100%. If I buy the first fan at 55% discount, means I pay how many percent? Can you tell me how many percent? Can you press your calculator, calculate and tell me? If I buy the first fan for 55% discount, Xingyi not me lah, okay? Xingyi pay how many percent? Xingyi pay how many percent? Okay, so the original price of the fan is 100%, correct? 100%. Correct. Xingyi pay 45%. Can you understand? Okay, to make it better, I write units for you, okay? I write units. Okay, usually if it's just 40, 70, right? I will just write 4 units, 7 units. But because for this case it's 45, no choice, I need a bigger number, okay? I will use 45 units. Okay, so what this means is Xingyi actually pay 45 units. Can understand? Xingyi pay 45 units. The discount is 55 unit, right? This one is like discount, so I cancel it off. Can understand why I cancel it off? Because instead of paying the full price, the 100%, instead of paying the 100%, Xingyi only pay 45 units. Xingyi only pay 45%. Okay, so out of the whole price of the fan, right? Like only 45 units is paid. Okay, the 55 units is not paid, right? I will cross it out. Okay, then what about the second fan? Okay, let me label. This is the first fan and this is the second fan. What about the second fan? The second fan, he buy at 70% discount. Can you all try? Everyone try, okay? 70% discount means he pay how many percent? The fan is the same price, so I'm going to draw the same. Can everyone try now? The second fan, he pay how many units? Tell me, how many units did he pay? Everyone try. How many units? The rest of you, can you all try and type in the chat how many units? How many units did Xingyi pay? Okay? Yes, very good. Okay, Xingyi pay 30 units. How I get 30? Because I take 100 minus 70, okay? Which means that 70 unit is discount. Okay, now let's see who is smart enough to tell me, right? How many units is 127.5? Can everyone type in the chat? Try, practice. How many units is $127.50? How many units? Okay, I will wait for your answer, okay? Try. How many units, right? Because Xingyi paid $127.50, right? So I need to know how many units did Xingyi pay. Correct. I need to know how many units did Xingyi pay. Xingyi pay for how many units? That is $127.50. Okay, very good. Okay. Not 20. How you get 27.5? It's not 27.5. Yes, correct. It's 75 units, okay? Because 45 unit plus 30 unit equals 75 unit. Okay, so 75 unit, okay, is equal to 127.5. Can, if I want to calculate what is the price before discount, means I want to calculate 100%, right? So I want to calculate 100 units. Okay, so some of you prefer to find 1 unit first and 100, but usually I will just if I can use calculator, right, I will just sometimes just straight away lah. Just take like from 75 to 100, right? Is actually times 4/3. Then I will just times 4/3. Okay, or I can also divide by 75 times 100. Also can. Divide by 75 times 100. Okay, either way, I should get the answer to be 170. Can? So those who get this wrong, right, try to understand and try to practice a few times. Okay, just keep on practicing the same question. So after today's paper, right, if you want to improve, right, you need to redo the whole paper again and see what are the questions that you got wrong again. And then from there, you can know what are the things that you still don't understand. Then review the recording and see whether it helps you to understand better. Can? So this is the tip that I will give all of you, okay, is to practice the paper again. Yeah, redo the whole paper. Okay, so the answer is 170. So Nick, okay, so this is the answer for part A. So now part B. Nick also bought 2 such fan at the price before discount. Correct. How much more did Nick pay than Xingyi? So now this is the second person. So actually, right, the 2025 PSLE paper, right, also come out something similar when I have 2 people and also about discount. Okay, so all of you have the whole book, right, with the 2025 paper. You can just review the question that is about discount also. So you realize that actually PSLE, they actually test very similar concept. So if you practice all the PSLE paper, right, you will definitely be able to score well one. Okay, so how much more did Nick pay than Xingyi? So I need to know, right, if Nick bought 2 such fan before discount, okay, how much did Nick pay? So if you get part B, if you get part A wrong, right, your part B also wrong one. Okay, if you get it correct, it might be fluke or careless mistake. Okay, so Nick actually pay how much? Nick pay before discount, right? Okay, so Nick pay 170 times 2. Okay, so Nick pay, press your calculator, 170 times 2, you get 340. And then we know that Xingyi paid, Xingyi paid how much? The question say 127.5, right? Okay, so how much more? I will take 340 minus 127.5 and I will get 212.5. Common careless mistake for this, right, that might cause you to lose marks, okay, is students will write 212.5. How many of you wrote this in your answer? Can you all, everyone look at your answer now? Okay lah, many of you will actually got the answer wrong, right? I believe. But those who get the answer, okay, or maybe your answer is something else, but you only write this kind of 1 decimal place. During exam, they will minus mark. Okay, they might minus half, they might minus 1, depending on the question. So make sure, I think they minus half lah for this type. Make sure, apart from checking that the units is correct. Remember last lesson I told you all, right? Check whether it's dollar or cents, right? Another thing is if it's dollar and if you have cents, must be 2 decimal place. Can? So learn from today's mistake. Those who only write 1 decimal place, learn from it today. Make sure you don't make it during the PSLE exam. And also for the subsequent practice paper that we are going to do, make sure you consistently write 2 decimal place. If it's not a whole number. Okay? Make sure, don't ever write 1 decimal place for money. Can? Okay, so we are going to practice a few. So for those who are joining the next few sessions, we are going to practice a few more papers, 3 more papers next week. If you see a money question, make sure you write 2 decimal place if it's not whole number. Can? Okay, I'm going